Hey, what's good everybody? Before I drive it here, I'm showing you the easy way how to change a headlight bulb. As you can see, the passenger side is totally dead. The driver's side is pretty good, but I'm going to replace that as well since I haven't replaced both of them. So let's get this started. Alright, first step you gotta do is completely turn off the car. I mean, you're working with electrical current here, so I don't want anyone being shocked. I don't want any of that electrocution stuff. That is not my fault. I just told you right now, turn the car off. So that's no brainer, okay? Alright, so you see the spot where the headlights are? There are two main caps right here. Here and there. The smaller one is the high beam. That is obviously working for me. I have to replace the other one, which is the bigger one. I don't know if it's standard on every other car, but this is for the Hyundai Elantra. And in order to take that out, you just turn it counterclockwise. Alright. Oh well, I'll get it. Alright, so I took it out. So you see right there, right here, that is the bulb itself. So if it's a little blurry, that's where the bulb is. So what you have to do is, you have to turn I'm gonna do the same on the other side. As you can see, this one is the low beam, which is bigger, which is the one that is dead on the other side. And this one is the high beam, the smaller one, which is fine as well. I'm not gonna touch that, but we're dealing with the regular headlights that you put on. You turn it counterclockwise. Damn. Turn it counterclockwise. Shit. There we go. Again, okay, I didn't drop this one, so that's good. Good stuff. Again, you see that right here? That's where the bulb is again. So what you do is you turn it counterclockwise. One sec. There it is. So here are the dead ones. Well, one of them is dead. These are the ones that we don't need. These are the ones that I got. These ones are the standard ones that I use for my car. Again, this is for the Hyundai Elantra 2010. This is the one that I use. But get it on Amazon, folks, because I saw the price and I was going to go to AutoZone, and they're charging one of them for $64. So I was like, what the hell is that? I ain't paying $64 for a stupid light bulb. So when I saw online, it was bad reviews from their place. So check which light bulb that you're using through your manufacturer or the auto that you're using. Go on Amazon. Got it in 2 days. And this bulb, I know it's for $14.99 each. So I bought both of them. I mean, compare that to $64. I mean, come on now. So if you want to go to AutoZone, if you have the money, go ahead. If you want to go to O'Reilly's, that's fine too. But honestly, you could do this yourself. So that's what I got. You see how the spokes are even, the same thing as the other ones? You do the same thing. Put it back inside where it is. All you gotta do is align it there. So let me just align it. Put it back in. And just turn it. Hold up. Let me turn it. Alright, I'll do the same thing here as well. Line it inside of the hole. And you have to line it. Once it goes inside like that, you turn it clockwise and it'll go inside that socket right there. It's not as clear, but you'll see where it's gonna turn in. Alright, so once that's worked, I just turned it on. Just pull it back inside. Always put things back where you found them. That makes things a hell of a lot easier. Turn it clockwise. Same thing with this side. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Always put things back where you found them. Turn, 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 baby, turn. Shit, come on, man. Here we go. Boom. It's all complete, all fixed. Both sides look wonderful, look fabulous. So, there you have it, folks. That's how to repair a headlight. Check your manufacturer, which car that you're working with. I'll put in the links below to see where you could get them on Amazon. Really easy, really cheap. All right. Stay safe, y'all. Safe driving.